I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start now by securing the car and cutting power. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid shorts. Once done, move to the front and remove the lower grille or splash shield. This exposes the horn assembly quickly. You should see the horn near the radiator support. Make sure to note the connector and bolt locations. While you work, keep a 12V test lead and multimeter on hand so you can verify power to the horn before removing it, and have a replacement horn within reach. You now verify electricals methodically. First, inspect the fuse and relay. If uncertain, swap the relay with an identical one to eliminate it. Next, probe the horn connector with a multimeter while someone presses the horn button. Measure for ~12V and watch for continuity. If there's no sound but voltage is present, the horn is bad. Once confirmed, unbolt the horn, disconnect the wiring harness, and compare the old parts bracket and connector to the new horn. You install the replacement horn by mounting it securely and reconnecting the wiring harness, making sure the ground is clean and tight. Once the battery is reconnected, test the horn with the ignition in the accessory position. Press the horn and verify you hear a clear, consistent sound and that the multimeter reads about 12V at the connector. If it fails, check the ground at the chassis, swap the relay again, and if needed, inspect the steering wheel clock spring. This often causes intermittent horn failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.